it's Steph from Call Me Ishmael, and I'm here with a little update for you. So, Call Me Ishmael is a project that Logan and I started together in 2013. We both love books, and we love the first sentences of books, and we really love the most famous first sentence of a book. We wondered what would happen if we gave Ishmael a phone number and invited Bibliophiles to call and tell us about the books that they love. And then we had the idea to bring the project to some of our favorite bookish places. We hosted a Kickstarter to fund it, and made the world's longest thank you note. We did a year of beta testing in schools, libraries, bookstores, museums, and co-working spaces around the country. Then we took a year off to get married, and there were books there. And that brings us to this year, where people are still ordering Call Me Ishmael phones. We spent the spring building phones in our downstairs office. It was a tight fit, and we knew we needed some more space. So we got some more space. So let's go next door. I am so excited to show you the brand new Call Me Ishmael office. So starting over here, these are a few things in our Ishmael collection. And we have 1 billion copies of the Poets and Writers magazine that wrote about Call Me Ishmael. And this is where we keep all the call transcripts and our extra long paper. And here's Matilda. This is where she hangs out while I'm working. And we keep this pegboard pretty organized because it can get kind of crazy in here with all the stray pieces of metal and wires hanging around. So we have a couple different systems for keeping everything clean and tidy, and that system is basically many, many bins. And a few more pieces of Ishmael swag. A little more library art, typewriters everywhere. And speaking of typewriters, and then over here is just more supplies. We have 1 billion Raspberry Pis here and lots of audio cables and other little parts. And possibly the best part of our office other than Matilda, the free bookshelf. We have so many books lying around here, so anyone who comes to visit is welcome to take home a new book. And then more supplies. And then over here we have a few of our favorite transcripts from the calls hung up. And this is actually a small portion of our Kickstarter thank you letter. And then over here is our wall of phones. And I like this, it makes a nice little photo op for visitors, and it's kind of inspiring to have them around while we're working. And this guy is actually a special edition phone. This red one's going over to the TED office with Logan. And over here is Robo 3D. It's actually gorgeous, and we use it to print some of the parts that we need to build phones. And over here, this is technically a bathroom, but like I said, we're stretched for space, so this is where all the shipping supplies and backlog of phones live. It's probably not our proudest part of the office. It's kind of a mess. In fact, it's very stressful in here. Let's get out of here.